Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A51 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the most important thing, which is the internet connection. I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi here, and then we can enter the Play Store. If you've got your Google account currently added, then you can just follow my steps. If not, you have to either log in or sign in, so create the account to be able to use the Google Play Store. So what is more, we've got the video of how to add the Google account to the device, so I highly recommend to check it. So here all we have to do is to tap on the circle, which is your account. Then let's tap on my apps and games. And as you can see right here, we've got the updates, so we do not have to go to any other section. We can check which apps we can update. If you want to, you can tap on update all, so your device will simply download all the updates. If not, you can search for the apps and simply tap on update next to them. So I want to update the Google Chrome and maybe Google Go. So just after tapping on update, your device will transfer the apps to the top of this list, and right now it will download the updates. After that, they will be automatically installed on the device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.